welcome back to another video. So I've got a little gel polish haul today. So I've got a couple of the Mylee quads. Yeah, these are just regular gel polishes, and you get 4 in each pack. So I've got 2 of them, and I've also got the Mylee matte speckled top coat. So let's have a quick look at this first. So yeah, I've got these off Amazon. So Mylee top coats and base coats, foundations, whatever you want to call them, they always come in these big 15ml white bottles. I love these bottles. So that's what this is. So yeah, it's just a matte top coat and it's got the black speckles in it, which I think is going to be fab for Easter, isn't it? Look, little black speckles in it. So we're going to give that a quick swatch with the gels anyway. So I'll leave that out. So, shall we have a look at what I got? Pastels. Yeah, so these are the Mylee quads. They come in packs of 4. Yeah, the colours are always in the black 10ml bottles. So the big bottles, you always get your little colour cap. So it looks like we've got a pink, a yellow, a green and a purple. So we've got pastel. I never know what you call this. Cheek or chic or chic. I'm going to call it pastel chic. Then we've got lemonade, mint leaf and ladylike. So that is them 4. And the other quad I got is neons. Oh my gosh. So I'm kind of covered now for spring and summer, aren't I? So yeah, neons again. Same bottles, colour caps. So these ones are called You Had Me at Yellow, Flower Power, green there, done that, and watermelon sugar. So shall we do the pastel ones first? Right, so we'll start with Pastel Chic first, which looks like a beautiful pale pink, or is really nice pink. I remember the gels from Christmas. I remember they were fantastic gels. Excellent quality. I think the hem are free. I will leave it up on the screen. But yeah, look at that. It's quite a thin gel, but again, it's really pigmented. I put that on a bit thick, actually. Beautiful pale pink. I like that. Right, next we've got Lemonade. Oh, this is a nice yellow. Really, really nice yellow. Look at that. Pretty yellow. Oh, that's a beautiful colour. I like that. Really, really nice yellow, isn't it? So this one is mint leaf. Oh, these are so nice. They're not too pale either, are they? Some pastels can be really pale. These are quite a strong colour. I like them. Very pretty colour again. Perfect for Easter coming up, aren't they? Gorgeous minty green. I love it. And then lastly we've got Ladylike. Ooh. Oh, this is beautiful as well. These paint on so nice. I will say they are excellent quality gel polishes. I can't fault them. Every product I've had off Mylee, the polygels, top coats, base coats, they've all been top notch. Gorgeous pastel purple. So yeah, I'm just going to go straight on to the neon. So the first one is You Had Me at Yellow. I always like trying neons from a new brand, because we all know neons tend to be quite sheer and jelly like, don't they? So let's see how the Mylee ones are. It looks quite creamy actually. Oh wow, that is not transparent at all. For a neon yellow, that is actually really creamy colour. Look at that. It's so much brighter than what you're seeing as well. Look at that. Oh, wow. I really need to get on and do some neon sets. Oh, this one's a little bit transparent, actually. Not much, but yeah, it's more transparent than the yellow. When I'm using neons, a lot of the time, I'll put them over a white. Yeah, you definitely need 2 coats with this orange, or put it over a white. Yeah, that one's definitely a little bit transparent. Not a lot, but more than the yellow. You can see through it slightly, but yeah, you'd need... I always advise 2 coats anyway with gel polish. So, green one was called Green There, Done That. Oh, see, this is a nice creamy one, like the yellow one was. Yeah, this is a really opaque, creamy one. I like it. Wow, look at that. Yeah, you get away with 1 coat with that one as well. Really creamy and opaque green. Right, and lastly, we've got watermelon sugar. I've saved the best till last. Oh my gosh, this is a creamy one. I can tell by looking at it. Oh my gosh, look at that. 1 coat, 1 swipe on each side and it's done. Oh my gosh, 1 swipe on each side. Gorgeous bright pink. Right, I'm going to get all these top coated and then we'll have a nosy. Right guys, actually, whilst they're curing, I'm going to have a quick swatch of this matte. So this is a matte, no wipe, speckled top coat. So, yeah, it dries matte with no tacky layer. This is going to be really good for Easter, especially with these pastels. Right, so they're not... I thought they were going to be little hexes. They're actually not. They're like little black pieces of... I'm not sure. Like little black pieces of Mylee or something. They're definitely not hex. They're all irregular shapes, but very small little speckles, which I like. Right, I'm going to stick that in the lamp for 30 seconds. Right, guys, so that is them all swatched. So I'll show you the neon ones first. That orange has had 2 coats now. It was quite sheer, that orange, but that pink just painted on beautifully, didn't it? But yeah, they're really good neon gel polishes, actually. Definitely amongst the best I've tried, definitely. It's a shame that orange was so sheer. But 2 coats, it's fine, isn't it? Look how bright they are. Beautiful, beautiful. This is the Mylee glossy top coat as well. It's absolutely fantastic top coat. That's the Mylee no wipe top coat. And then we have got the pastels. Again, beautiful. 1 coat. Gorgeous, aren't they? These are going to be nice for Easter with that matte speckled top coat, aren't they? Yeah, I don't see Mylee gel polishes about a lot on YouTube. And they're absolutely fantastic gel polishes. They really, really are. So let's have a quick nosy at this. Yeah, so it's cured matte. I like it. I'm going to try it with... I think we'll try it with the purple underneath. Just to see what it'd look like. So that's what it looks like on its own. On a clear nail. So I'm going to paint it underneath. Because I think this is going to be beautiful for Easter. Definitely have to do something with this. On an Easter bunny set, isn't it? So that's it. With the pastel purple underneath. Isn't that pretty? I really like it. Right, let's get that cured. Yeah, guys, that's them all done. I will leave a link. I think they're both on the same link. If not, I'll leave both links below. But yeah, they've got loads of different colour combos to choose from. I just got the pastels and the neon because spring, summer. Yeah, all links will be below. That's the speckledy one on the purple top coat. And if you wanted it glossy, you can just put a glossy top coat on it. Definitely need to do something with these. That just screams Easter, doesn't it? It does. But anyway, guys, yeah, that's it for today. Just a quick one. Hopefully it was a quick one. Please remember to give the video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Hit your notification bell as well so you don't miss any of my videos. And hopefully I'll see you all back in my next one. Take care. Bye.